I still go to Menards pretty frequently, but it's just not the same since the train aisle has been replaced by pool supplies. I've looked around to see if they had been moved, but I had no luck on my own. So I finally asked a store employee, and I was surprised to learn that they are still in stock, but in a place I never would have found on my own. What I discovered explains why Menards doesn't have 50 or 70% off sales at the end of Halloween or Christmas. They just move everything upstairs and keep it for sale at the regular prices. So welcome to Menards' Secret Stash, also known as their seasonal department, where you can still find Christmas lights, skeletons, jack-o'-lanterns, and centerpieces for Thanksgiving. It's out of the way, but not at all off limits to customers like you and me. Everything is still neatly arranged and organized by holiday. It's nice to know that the other stuff is available, but I'm here to look at the trains. The selection may now be a little smaller, but there's still lots to see. These auto carriers are very nice, and I think they're also pretty popular, especially with a friend of mine who has over 10 of these, I think. Check out Mark's Lionel Trains on YouTube for more info on these, because I'd consider him an expert on Menards trains. While the auto carriers are a pretty good deal, especially with the mail-in rebate, the main reason I go to Menards train aisle is to check out their buildings, and they have a pretty good assortment right now. I like the Sinclair station a lot, but mainly for two reasons. The first is that it's not a very deep building, so it's very space efficient. The second would be the lighting effects, which include the truck's headlights. And I guess maybe there's also a third reason why I like this, and that would be the price. It's actually one of the more affordable Menards buildings. Fury Motors is a newer offering from Menards, and it comes with a showroom interior, people, lighting, and 4 vehicles. 5 actually, if you count the one on the roof. Amtrak station is nearly twice the price of the Sinclair gas station, which has always confused me. All of Menards buildings come equipped with LED lighting, but they don't come with the power adapter. I'm not sure how I feel about that either. The County Hotel, or County Suites, is a huge building. It's 4 stories tall, plus it has a rooftop deck, complete with people, tables, chairs, couches, umbrellas, and landscaping. I don't have room for it, but I can't help but admire how much you get for your money here. Gamer and Thrones is a play on words for a business that sells bathroom and plumbing supplies. I never looked at one of these that closely before, but whoever designed it has a good sense of humor, as well as a good sense for little tiny details. The FedEx freight building is a nice size that could fit on most layouts. And in addition to the lighting, that forklift moves out and then back in again through that little garage door. So it's animated. What's not to like? The Cripple Creek General Store has an Old West vibe going on, and it's another one of Menards' O-scale buildings that isn't too deep, so it would look good pushed right up against a wall on the back of your layout. The Halls of Handsome Barbershop is a nice size, but its appearance reminds me just a little too much of those ceramic Christmas houses from Lomax or Department 56. My layout had those buildings for years, And now I'm trying to get away from that look. So while it's really well done, this one is just not for me. It seems like most of the regular size boxcars, gondolas, and flat cars are about $25, and the 11% rebate makes it closer to $22, which is a really good deal for rolling stock that's brand new. And since there aren't so many hobby shops anymore where you can actually walk around and look at the trains, Menards is a pretty nice option, especially when train show season is almost over. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.